Hello students, a very good morning. This is your maths class. Last time we have discussed exercise 1.2. Now today we have started exercise 1.3 and today we will do question number 1 to 8. And there is also your homework, that is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so let us proceed with the first question. The first question is that there are 3 digits given to us, that is 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and we need to write all the possible 2-digit number using any two. Okay, any two of the digits we have to write all the possible 2-digit number, and repetition is not allowed. So let us take 2 digit at a time and write all the possible numbers. Okay, let us take 2-digit number using 2 and 3. Okay, we need to take any two numbers at a time. So let us write the 2-digit number using 2 and 3. So the first number will be 23. Okay, now interchange both of them. What it will be? It will be 32. Okay, so these are the only two numbers. Now let us write again, that is 2-digit number using 3 and 4. Okay, again we can write 34 and the another number is 43. Okay, let us again write taking 2 digit at a time. Okay, 2-digit number using, now what is the digit we have not taken? 2 and 4. Okay, now this time we are taking 2 and 4. What we can write? 24 and we can write 42. So these are the possible 2-digit number which we can write using 2, 3 and 4 and using only 2 digit at a time. So at last we will write 2-digit number we can write using 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Okay, we don't need to repeat them. So what are the numbers? Let us write them at once. 23, 32, 34, 43, 24 and 42. So this is the way. Let us see the question number 2. Okay, this is the second question. We need to write all the 3-digit numbers which we can write using 3, 1 and 5. And the same thing, that repetition is not allowed. We cannot repeat the one digit twice. Okay, so these are the 3 digits and let us see what are the various number which we can form. So let us write the 3-digit numbers, which we can write using which digits? Using 3, 1 and 5 without repetition. Okay, so we are not repeating here, we are not doing the repetition. So what are these numbers? So what we need to do, we need to take first 3, 1 and 5. Okay, just move the digits at each and every place. So 3, 1, 5. Now keep 3 at that place and interchange 1 and 5. It will be 3, 5, 1. Okay, again now take 5. Take 5 at 100 place. There are 2 digits left. Place them like this, 5, 3, 1. Again, okay, just hold 5 at 100 place and move the digits. Replace the digit, interchange them. This is 513. Again, what we need to do? Hold 1 at 100th place, 1. Now again there are 2 digits left. Let us place them, 135. Again, hold 1 at 100 place. Keep it at that and interchange the rest of the digits. This is 153. Okay, Now what the thing left? There is no number which is left. These are the possible numbers which we can write without. This is the third question. What we need to do? There are digits that are 7, 0 and 6. We need to write all the 3-digit number that are possible, and the repetition is not allowed. Now let us see again. Let us write the 3 digits number which we can write, okay, which we can write using 7, 0 and 6 without repetition. Okay, so let us see. But this is the same question that we have done, similar question that we have done in second, but there is a one major difference. Okay, so I have chosen this question for classwork. So let us see. Okay, now place 7 at 100 place. I have taken 7 at 100 place. Now take the rest digits at other place 706. Now interchange them. 7 will be at 100 place. Okay, interchange other digits, that will be 760. Okay, again take 6 at 100 place. Okay, I have taken 6 at 100 place, and the rest of the digit at others, that is 670. Now hold it at 100 place and interchange both the digits. This is 607. Okay, now as there are also, we can form 2 digits, like I am writing over here 0 at 100 place, and repeat and just write the rest of the digit 076. Okay, we can also write 0 holding at 100 place. We can write 067. But these two numbers are 2-digit number. Okay, these two numbers are 2-digit number. They are not 3-digit number. We can, when 0 is placed before any number, it is not counted. Okay, we can write 706, 760. But so when we talk about 3-digit number, so these 4 3-digit number are possible using these 3 digits. As we have seen that these 2 digits which we can form, but whereas they are only 2-digit number, they are not 3-digit number. Okay, so let us see the next question. Okay, let us see question number 7. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 are your homework. Also in question number 1 and question number 3, you have to find the sum of all the numbers we have formed. Okay, in question number 1 and question number 3, you have to find the sum also. That is also your homework. And question number 4, 5, 6, these also need to be done in homework. Okay, now let us see question number 7. What is that? We have to tell how many 6-digit number are there. So I am writing the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, the smallest 6-digit number. Here it will be 1, and after that how many places are left? That are 5. So I will place 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What it will be? It will be 1 lakh. Okay, so this is the smallest 6-digit number which we can write. What is the greatest 6-digit number? The greatest 6-digit number is 9, 9, 9 and 3 times more. So it is 9,99,999. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. This is the largest 6-digit number. And how many 6-digit number are there? Let us subtract them. Let us take an example, like from 1 to 4. Okay, from 1 to 4, how many numbers are there? We have to include 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4 are included. So what we need to do? 4 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 plus 1. So what it happens? 4 minus 1, this is 3. 3 plus 1, this is 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. So similarly we will do it. Now let us subtract them and add 1 after that. So total 6-digit number is equal to 9,99,999 minus 1 lakh, and again then add 1. Okay, we need to subtract them first. Okay, what it comes? It will be 8,99,999 after subtracting this one. Now just add 1 to it. What it will be? It will be 9 lakh. Okay, just do it in the rough work. So this is the total 6-digit number which we can write. Let us see the next question. This is the 8th and the last question for today's class. We have to write the smallest 4-digit number using 7, 5, 0 and 4. So let us see which is the smallest digit, that is 0. We cannot write 0 at the starting place because it will be 0, 4, 5, 7, but it will be the 3-digit number. So we will take 4 at starting, then 0, then 5 and 7. This is the smallest digit, 4-digit number. Okay, now the greatest 4-digit number using, okay, using 7, 5, 0 and 4. Here I have missed the word, that is using. Okay, so let us take the greatest digit, that is 7, then the smaller than this is 5, then 4 and then 0. So 7,540. This was the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest is 4,057. So this was all for today. Keep studying. Take care. Goodbye.